Telmo, are you coming?
One moment, I'll be right there. Close your eyes.
You have a surprise?
Yes, don't look until I tell you.
What? Can I look already? Telmo, now is not the time for snorkeling. We have to make a project.
I'm only trying my costume on. Next week is the costume ball at school and I want to impress Tanya.
Oh my, I forgot.
Well, do you like my snorkel costume or not?
It's very good. You could win the contest, but I don't recommend it.
Why not?
I don't think you can kiss Tanya with that mask on.
Well, I hadn't thought of that.
I also want to try on a costume. When I tell you, cover your eyes. I'm coming out. Close your eyes. You can open your eyes. What do you think?
Where are you? I can't see you.
In front of you.
Not true. I can't see you.
It's because I'm just an invisible woman.
It's very original, but I don't recommend it.
Why?
Because Tito won't know where to kiss you.
Oh, you're right. Wait while I change. Close your eyes. I'm coming out. Ta-da!
Wow, how neat. You're beautiful. Tito will be impressed.
I know.
You've just given me an idea for another costume. I can't. It doesn't want to come off.
What's wrong, Telmo?
I can't take off the lifesaver.
Come out. I'll help you.
Woof, thank you. You can now close your eyes.
Very good. Tanya will fall in love with you when she sees it.
Then I'll stick with this one. I'll be her valiant and invincible captain.
Should we keep them on while we're making arts and crafts?
Okay. I just figured out what our project is today.
Don't say it. I bet we've come up with the same thing. We'll say it on 3. 1, 2, 3. A costume!
That was easy, no?
Yeah, it couldn't have been easier. Let's look at the materials. A garbage bag.
Colored felt.
Light blue.
A pair of scissors.
And colored feathers.
Are you sure about the garbage bag?
Yes, it has the right measurements.
But we're gonna end up with garbage for a costume.
How funny. You'll see that's not true. Let's go to the first part of our arts and crafts. We place the garbage bag with the opening facing down. We cut the upper corners in the form of semicircles and the middle in the form of a V. We cut wide strips of brown felt, giving it a tooth form. We glue the strips on the bottom of the body and on the sleeves.
We've run out of garbage bags.
We can ask Grown-up for one.
Better I go to the kitchen and get one.
Why?
It's just that Grown-up is very busy lately.
He has a lot of work, right? Grown-ups are always complaining they have too much work.
That's not it. It's just that they've given him a weight scale.
I get it. It's not working and he's fixing it.
No, he decided to get on it and he almost fainted.
He is a little fat.
Well, now he spends all day exercising and weighing himself.
Don't worry, it'll pass in a couple days.
I don't know. Well, I'm gonna get a garbage bag. Ta-da! Here it is!
Telmo, that one's already full.
It's the only one I could find, but I'll empty it right now.
No, wait!
Tula, where are you?
Telmo, you've gone too far. Achoo!
Hey, there's something in here.
Of course, it's me. That's my head.
Achoo! Ow! I've just bumped my head into the table.
Stay still.
Something's moving on the table. I've got it. Ow! It bit me.
Nothing's happened. It's Paquito. He didn't recognize you and he got scared.
Achoo! Let me try to get the window and open it.
Okay. Meanwhile, we can look at the second part of our arts and crafts. We cut 2 long strips and 2 short strips of red felt. and then we glue them on top of the brown felt. We cut a lot of squares from the orange felt, and we glue them along the red strips. We decorate with more detail. Prepare 4 pieces of black felt, cutting strips into it without reaching the ends. Then we glue them on top of the laterals and on the shoulders. You think of such things.
What do you think if I call Grown-up to come and dress up?
Let's hope he'll forget all this exercise.
Grown-up!
Grown-up, we're going to the school costume ball. Want to come with us?
Then think of a good costume to put on. I bet you he'll come as a runner.
While he puts on his costume, let's explain the last part of our arts and crafts. We cut a piece of brown felt and we glue it on the neck of the costume. We glue different colored feathers. And we make a hairband from a strip of felt and feathers.
Voila! What a super costume!
You're going to win first prize!
Hey, I think one of your balloons is bigger than the other. Don't worry about it. I'll fix it.
Don't show off. You know you can't control balloons.
I'll go slowly. I think it came out too big. Let me blow the other one up.
Stop, Telmo!
A little bit more and it's ready.
Telmo, you're incorrigible.
No worries. We'll put the balloons on the costume that we just finished making and we give it to him.